Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete all unread emails in Gmail. Friends, to clean your Gmail account, if you want to remove all unreaded emails from your Gmail account, then you simply need to open your Gmail account in your computer. Now in your browser, you need to open gmail.com. Now in your Gmail account, you need to press on advanced search option. Now here select unread emails. Now after selecting unread emails, you need to click on search. Now it will show all the unreaded emails in your Gmail account. Now you need to select all these emails. For that you need to click here. Now you have selected 50 conversations. Now you need to click on select all conversations that match this search. Now you have selected all the unreaded emails. Now to delete all your selected unreaded emails, you simply need to click on this delete icon. Now it is confirming for bulk action. Now to confirm the delete action of all the unreaded selected emails, then you simply need to click on OK. Now it will take some time. Now as you can see, it has deleted all the unreaded emails. Now click on inbox to see the remaining emails. Now as you can see, we had deleted all the unreaded emails in our Gmail account. So friends, like this you can very easily delete all the unreaded emails in your Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.